Hello, good morning, namaste to you all. I am Mr. Manoj Kumar Shah, your mathematics teacher. Welcome to you all in my virtual classes. My dear students, we already completed our first chapter in previous week. After that, you learned circle. And remember, my turn. I'll take my class every Thursday 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So please be punctual and active in the class. First chapter we learn lines and angles. After that you learn circle taught by our Pravina ma'am. Then today we are going to start triangle. So about triangle, my dear students, you already learned in class 6 and 7 also. But here also we learn about triangle in advanced form. In this chapter, first you learn definition, their types according to sides, according to angles, and their properties. And you know very well how to measure the angles by using protractor. So by using protractor you can do the experiment also of the properties of triangle. So on this topic you can discuss in this chapter. And remember, we are coming from the Monday, this Midas with Zoom. So my dear students, in this Zoom Midas class, if you open your profile, your account, you will get their join class. After that there is one video symbol. If you click there, then you can connect with your teacher in a video, so you can interact with video also. So remember, we are coming with Midas with Zoom. And for the triangle, here is one small activities. We know the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. For that you can see here one small activity is how it forms 180 degree. You can see here there are three angles colored by different marked by different color, and how it form 180 degree. It form now one semicircle, that's why its sum should be 180 degree. So let's see another video and example, and please enjoy today's class and be punctual, complete your work on time.